What's up, everyone? Forever Rich here. Today, we're breaking down the Partisia blockchain for the Sceptre Saints. Full history, the pre sale results, the exact staking steps, and a little bit on Scepter's liquid staking features launching on Monday for Partisia. And I'm going to break down the real risks. Like, subscribe, ping the bell notifications. Let's get it.
Partisia was founded in 2015 by Ditlev Verdzo and Thomas F. Nielsen, cryptography PhDs who pioneered MPCs. That's multi party computation. This is a quantum safe privacy tech. Your data basically gets mathematically split across multiple nodes. No single party ever sees the full secret. That's the core innovation. Partisia's key milestones include their main launch in 2023, live blockchain, real world ready. Then in 2024, they applied their 53% APR staking mechanism. That kicked off a yield revolution. And then in 2026, we hope to see the DeFi surge hit through with the Scepter liquid staking integration. Partisia owns SSI. That's self sovereign identity, where you control your digital ID in a wallet, no middleman, plus confidential RWA and DeFi. They are really trying to create a safe space in the privacy sector. Founders built a legit quantum resistant privacy tech. In my opinion, this is the perfect play for the Scepter Saints. Rising privacy concerns in crypto make MPC yields Monday unstoppable. Let's talk Partisia's pre-sale results. Partisia absolutely crushed it, raising over 53.9 million across 10 funding rounds from top-tier VCs and institutions. Now, Partisia has 2 billion MPC tokens. Out of that, roughly 800 million tokens remain locked in strategic long term allocations. Here's the smart breakdown: team allocations 15% or 300 million MPC. Now, these have a 4-year vesting schedule, which keeps founders aligned and gives them skin in the game, building for long-term growth. Ecosystem Fund gets 20% or 400 million MPC tokens. Now, these have a 10-year gradual release. This fuels partnerships and grants and promotes network growth. And there is a 5% or 100 million MPC token for the strategic reserve. These are fully locked as emergency funds and provide the protocol a stability buffer. This creates a clean structure that lowers the risk of a rug. 1.2 billion circulating now creates a perfect stability for Scepter Saint yields. Now let's talk about MPC's token utility and why Partisia crushes beyond just yields. Number one, privacy for DeFi. Imagine confidently being able to execute trades and lending and your DEX pool positions. They stay 100% private, even on public blockchain. Number two, self-sovereign identity. You own your digital ID. You KYC once and verify everywhere. Zero data leaks. Number three, confidential RWA tokenization. This is for the big boys here. Picture real estate deeds, invoices, gold bars tokenized on chain with private ownership proof. You prove you own the assets without revealing who owns it or how much. Institutions love this. Number four, MPC is enterprise ready. Banks and insurers can supply chain sharing sensitive data without trusting each other. Think cross border payments where compliance needs data but privacy stays intact. Scepter completely unlocks this ecosystem with sMPC. It becomes fully DeFi compatible. Trade it, lend it, pool it, all while auto compounding 51% yields in the background. The Scepter Saints position for privacy plus yield alpha, the ultimate DeFi 2.0 combination. Now here's your step-by-step guide if you so choose to uh, stake MPC. First, you have to set up your wallet. Download the Partisia wallet Chrome extension. Create your account and back up the seed phrases on paper and keep in a safe place with your passwords. If anybody asks you for the seed phrases or your password, they are a scammer. Report them immediately and don't contact. Do not ever divulge this information to anyone. Then you buy the MPC on MEXC or Binance. Send it to the Partisia address. And then you follow the rest of the steps for the stake flow. Go to the Partisia blockchain browser.com. I will have all this down in the description for you so you're not fishing around for fake links. Connect your Partisia wallet on the top right. Number two, you filter your active node operators. You need to sort them by TVL, APR, and you need to verify them on the Discord. Number three, you delegate. You enter your amount plus the node ID and you confirm the transaction. You're going to need about 50 cents for gas fees. And now you enter the pending phase where you join the node Discord, and the operators usually take between 5 to 30 minutes to approve. And the fifth step is you are live on the dashboard and you are earning 51% APR quarterly. And guys, remember, if you choose to unstake, there is a 14-day cooldown period as well. So you need to plan ahead for that. Come Monday, Scepter Saints transform this entire flow into 1 to 2 click liquid staking. sMPC, you can trade while earning. Awesome. So why did Scepter specifically choose Partisia? Once you see the metrics, it's obvious. We can start with their 51% yields, which lets Scepter's smart contract vaults compounding shine. Auto rebasing sMPC grows exponentially. It also helps that Partisia is providing a quantum resistant privacy structure for industries to access blockchain once, then worry free from future exploits. MPC unlocks enterprise adoption. Imagine banks, insurance, RWA issuers onboarding confidently. Perfect synergy. Scepter handles liquidity. Partisia delivers unmatched privacy plus yields. Saints win. Now, guys, it's real talk time. Strategy. There are risks in everything in DeFi. And I know, I tried and tested um, a protocol like Scepter wouldn't just be partnering up with just anybody. With that being said, we do have to weigh in on the risks. The first risk is node slashing. If operators go offline, you lose between 1 and 5% of your stake. Scepter does mitigate this though. They fix this by diversifying their allocation of MPC into 50 nodes, therefore spreading the risk. Number 2, there is always a smart contract bug risk. They happen in DeFi. It's just part of the space right now. Right? We are in the wild, wild west. But Partisia and Sceptre solution is they have conducted multiple audits. They've verified everything formally and even do live hypernative monitoring. And third is the token unlocks. You guys have to watch out for these. You have to look at what the vesting schedule is. Track the calendar and dollar cost average in. Don't just ape in. It's just not what we do. The fourth, IL, impermanent loss. You need to stick to stable pairs and use hedging strategies in order to try to, mitigate this as best possible. And of course, please follow the golden rule. Max 1 to 5% of your portfolio allocation. That's what I'm doing, and I hope you employ the same strategy if you so choose to invest. Remember, you have to do your own research on every node. And let me just be clear about this, this is not financial advice. I'm just making sure that if you decide to partake, you do so in a safe manner. With that being said, remember, riches are built smart, not with luck. Forever Rich, out.